APIs are the backbone of modern applications, and their architecture plays a crucial role in performance, security, and scalability. Let's explore 6 major API architectural designs. REST, or Representational State Transfer, uses standard HTTP methods, making it stateless and efficient. It promotes a client-server relationship with clear separation of concerns. GraphQL is a query language for APIs, allowing clients to request exactly what they need from servers. It provides a single endpoint for flexible and optimized data retrieval. SOAP, or Simple Object Access Protocol, is a highly secure XML-based protocol for exchanging data between web services, supporting both stateful and stateless activities. gRPC, developed by Google, is a high-performance remote procedure call framework. It uses protocol buffers for efficient data serialization, ensuring a structured and strongly typed contract. WebSockets enable real-time, bidirectional communication with full duplex connections, making them ideal for interactive applications, like messaging and gaming. Finally, MQTT, a lightweight messaging protocol designed for low-bandwidth environments, follows a publish-subscribe model, making it a popular choice for IoT applications. Each of these API architectures serves a unique purpose, so choosing the right one depends on your project's needs. Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments. Today on the show, we're diving into the world of economic indicators. These are the numbers that tell us how the economy is doing, things like GDP, unemployment rates, and consumer confidence. But what do these indicators really mean? How are they calculated? And how should we interpret them? We'll break it all down for you, with the help of some experts, to make sense of the numbers that shape our world.